Thanks for stopping by. I have a Dollar Tree haul today, and you know me, I can't keep myself out of that Dollar Tree. They have so many good things for $1. So I thought I would share with you all the things that I picked up. I've seen people haul these in the past, and they're just so cute. They're little jewelry dishes, and I have a gold unicorn, and then I have a little mermaid tail. But one of the cute things that I saw when I went to the Dollar Tree was this little flamingo. And I hadn't seen this one before. It's very dainty, but the neck is just perfect to hang your rings. It's a super cute little jewelry dish. So I ended up buying that along with these. I couldn't help myself. And one of the other super cute things that I found was this little unicorn. It looks like it's porcelain or bisque, and when I first found it I thought maybe you put a little fragrance inside because there's all these holes. I turned it over and then has a little switch on the bottom, and so look, all of a sudden it's all these cute little colors flashing. So I just thought it was kind of unique, and you know what, if somebody loves unicorns they will love this. These really cute packages of napkins. I just thought they would be fun, you know, for dinner some night or even a party. I don't know, I guess. But they were really cute. They have dogs all over them, and everybody that knows me knows I'm a dog mom. So I have 3 dogs and cats and fish, and I used to have horses. But I thought these were really cute. And you know, for $1, how can you go wrong? They're adorable. And speaking of horses, I found these. I'm absolutely in love with them. I couldn't even believe I found them. I wanted to buy the whole herd that was sitting on the shelf. But look, I don't know if anyone else has hauled these before, but I'm in love with them. I think they're beautiful. I don't have horses any longer, but guess what? I just got 2 new ones. I got these really cute hats. And my daughter gets all dazzled up for 4th of July, so I thought she could wear one of these, and I think I'm going to wear the other one. Although I do have 2 daughters, so they both might be getting these hats. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I thought these were really, really cute. I live in the Northeast, and one of the birds that we don't have up here are the flamingos. We do not have flamingos up here. Maybe in the zoos I think we have flamingos, but I think they're absolutely beautiful. They came with 2 little metal stakes, so you can stake them. I'm going to stake mine outside in my garden. I just think they're gorgeous. The color, I mean, really, could Mother Nature do any better? These are absolutely beautiful. And knowing me, I usually always have to buy a pair. Here are my pair of flamingos. So I also picked this up. I thought this was pretty cute. It's a door hanger, and it says on it, "Stand tall and be fabulous." I'm not super tall, but I try to stand tall, and I try to be fabulous. So one of the other things that I found was this flamingo towel, and it says "Stand tall and stand out." And hey, what flamingo doesn't stand out? That beautiful pink color. And I thought what I would do, because I bought this one, and then I bought a nice little companion towel. So I think what I'm going to do with these 2 towels is I'm going to sew them together and make a pillow. So if I'm feeling it kind of a lot of flamingos one day, I'll put this side out, and if I'm just feeling like one flamingo, I'll put this side out. So I thought these were kind of cute. And a couple of other really cute things that I found were these coasters. I mean, unbelievable. They're little flip-flops, and they're coasters, and I just thought these were so cute. You know, just if you're outside and you're having a cold drink, or even you can use them inside. I just thought these were adorable. So I'm telling you, I have a problem. I pick up 2 of everything, pretty much 2 of everything. So sometimes 3. But I thought these were really cute. And I don't know about anybody else, but I could not keep myself out of that craft aisle, because there's always stuff in there that some of it I don't need and some of it I do, but I got to cruise down that aisle every time I go to Dollar Tree. And this time I found these super cute. They're ceramic banks, and they actually come with the little paints and the little paintbrushes. So I thought these were really cute. This was a dog, there's a frog, I believe there was a monkey and a car. Now the funny part is I don't have anybody to buy these for, but I just couldn't keep my hands off them, and I'm thinking sometimes they have company come and they have little ones, so I thought this would be really fun maybe to just set them up in the backyard, or you know, at the table or whatever, and they could paint them. I just thought they would be really cute, and it would be fun, and they could have a good time painting them. Okay, so it was the absolute best find. I couldn't believe it. I walked down the aisle. They were just sitting there. Somebody had actually ripped the box open. They weren't even out on the shelf yet. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to have that, because I have a daughter that's a cat fanatic, and I have cats and dogs, so I'm kind of with her. But when I saw this, I couldn't believe it. Believe what I found. This is like the best find for somebody that loves animals. Now, I don't know if anyone else has hauled these before. I haven't seen them, so I was so excited. And like I said, somebody actually ripped the box open. They weren't even to be put out yet, but they didn't have a problem with me buying them. And I didn't rip the box open, I swear. So, look what I found. It says the best cat ever, and it's a little clip. Ooh, I don't know, hopefully you can see it without all the reflections happening. But look, how cute is that? Oh my goodness. I know somebody who's going to go out of her mind when she sees this. So I thought that was like, I hit it. Perfect. I'm loving it. Guess what? You're not going to even believe what else I found. Another, look. And if you know anybody that likes cats, this is like the cutest frame. And you know what? Just put a picture of their cat in it. It's the best gift that they will ever get in their entire life. Where would you find something this awesome for $1? I couldn't even make this for $1. So I was so excited. I know somebody, not going to say any names, but she's going to love it. And then for myself, and though I do have cats, but I will be generous and I will give that to my little cat daughter. But I won't say it loud, because then she'll know she's getting it. I found the matching set in dogs. Best dog ever. And you know what's really cool is I have 3 dogs, and they'll all fit perfect together in this frame. I just love it. I couldn't believe it. And it has a cute clip. And then here's, I love my dog. I wish it had a S on the end, but you know what? They will fit perfectly in this frame too. I was so excited to find it. And actually I have 3 rescue dogs. One's from Tennessee, one's from Georgia, and my newest one is from Alabama. So all my rescue pups will be in there. I cannot wait. And this was something else that was phenomenal. I could not believe this, and I know everyone just got out of school and we are dying to have summer, so I don't even want to say the S word, which is school. Look what I found. They had just put them out. Can you see? It's a desk lamp, an LED desk lamp. I'm thinking, does anybody want to see what it looks like? Because I have not taken it out of the box yet, so I'm pretty excited. What does it look like? Wow, it's really heavy. I'm in shock. Wow, how cool is this, guys? This is awesome. It's so heavy, and it comes with the little plug-in piece right here. But this is really neat. And you know what? Look, it flips up. This is perfect. This is phenomenal for $1. I can't even believe it. It's really cool. So one of the last things I bought were these kitty treats. They're the Tasty Chicken Flavor by Temptations. And if you've never purchased them for your cat, you might not want to, because once they eat one, like, they want the whole bag, and then when you run out, they want more. So then I go back to the Dollar Tree, and that's where I buy them. The cats go nuts for them. So honestly, if you've never purchased them, I mean, maybe you don't want to because the cats love them. But if you want to give your cats a good treat, definitely pick these up. And you know what? Talk about one of the best gifts ever for a new cat mom or somebody that has cats would be this little collection here. Throw it in a bag with a card. It costs you $3, and they will absolutely love them. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I had so much fun doing this Dollar Tree haul. And guess what? If you haven't been told yet today that you're amazing, I'm telling you, you're amazing. I love my subscribers. They are the best. If you haven't yet subscribed, just click the button down below. It's red and it says subscribe on it. I'll see you all soon. Bye, everybody.